Okay, so here we've got a problem where we're given some information and we need to put it onto our diagram. So this means angle ABC, so the angle from A to B to C is 30 degrees. Let's draw that in here. Yep, let's try and draw that in here. So that's 30 degrees. C is 10, that's this here. The angle from C to B to E, so C to B to E, so this angle up here, 60 degrees. J is 5, that's down here. And what I want to work out is the angle from from E to C to H. So this angle here. Okay, so looking at this triangle, I've got a right angle triangle, only one bit of information. Here, again, only one bit of information. But this triangle, I've got a length and an angle. I'm going to use that to work out A. So, I'm just looking at this, 10, 30, A. Using SOHCAHTOA, I am looking at the adjacent and the hypotenuse. So I'm going to need to use this. So I'm using adjacent and hypotenuse. I'm trying to work out the adjacent side. So therefore A equals, I'm going to multiply these together. The hypotenuse is 10 times the cos of the angle. And I can do that over here. So make sure I'm in degrees, which I'm not. Good thing I checked first. Okay. Oh, what's going on here? Yep, that's got it. Okay, so now we've got 10 cos 30 degrees. Gets me 8.66. That'll do for now. If I want to use it more accurately, actually, what I can do is I can go and store that. I'll store that as A. So store as A. There we go. Now I can use that later if I need it. Right, next we're going to look at the second triangle. So that second triangle looks a bit like that. And we know this is 60. And we've found this second bit of information here, 8.66. So let's label up our triangle. The hypotenuse is this one. And the one that we're going to need to work out, so we know this one. If we work out F, then that'll give us another bit of information for our third triangle. So we're going to be working out the side that is opposite my 60-degree angle. Okay, so let's get the blue pen back again. I'm going to use the one with opposite and hypotenuse in it. I'm working out the opposite, it's on top, so again I can multiply. So let's this was F, remember, so F equals 8.66 times sine 60. And over here on my calculator I can do, well actually I've stored it, so I'll do alpha A, otherwise you could do the previous answer, times the sine of 60. 7.5. Okay, right. Now I can look at this. I've been given 5 and I've just worked out 7.5. Here's my right angle. I've got enough information to work out this angle. Okay, so I'm going to label up my triangle once more. I've got the hypotenuse and I'm using the adjacent. So I'm going to use that one. Okay, and to work out the angle, let's say that the cos of my angle, let's use that symbol. Because the angle equals 5 over 7.5, adjacent over hypotenuse. So therefore the angle equals the inverse cos of 5 over 7.5. So, second cos 5 divided by 7.5. What do I get? 48.2 degrees. So 3 significant figures. 48.2 degrees. There we go, we're done.